Today on CGI Off-Road, we're going to make our 2017 Raptor breathe better and look better under the hood. The F-150 Raptor is a great performing truck right from the factory, but there's always room for improvement, so today we're going to make our Raptor breathe better by installing this aFe Cold Air Intake. This is aFe's Momentum XP Pro 5R Cold Air Intake for your 2017-18 F-150 Raptor. It features 3-inch mandrel-bent aluminum tubes with a nice blue powder coat finish and a massive pre-oiled air filter protected by a high-flow roto-molded housing. It'll add a killer look to your engine bay and it'll significantly outflow the factory intake for improved performance. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 7mm socket, 8mm socket, a 1/4-inch extension, 1/4-inch ratchet, 13mm socket, 3/8 extension, 3/8 ratchet, and a trim panel removal tool. Installing this intake is pretty simple. What we have to do is remove this Y pipe section here. There's 2 clamps that hold it on, one down here and one up here. Loosen the 7mm hose clamp. The one down here is very difficult to see. It's on the back side of the pipe. You'll need a small extension to get to it. Remove these 2 clips. And then there's a sensor on the back that we have to unplug. We can remove the factory air filter. Use a flathead screwdriver or a trim panel removal tool to pop this clip off. And the 2 up front. Remove this 13mm bolt on the side of the factory airbox, then the whole airbox can be removed. Then the airbox comes right out. This PCV hose on the driver's side inlet pipe right near the turbo needs to be removed. Press on this gray tab right here and pull it off. Take the provided tube insert and make sure that the opening at the bottom of the insert is facing the turbo. And then install it, along with the PCV hose. Remove the grommet off your factory airbox and install it into your new aFe airbox. Take the 2 pieces apart, put the rubber piece in there, and then insert this from the inside. And this goes in place of the factory airbox. Reinstall the bolt that you previously removed from the factory airbox and use it to secure your new airbox. Install the 2 clips up front. Use the provided weather stripping and install this along the rim of the air inlet. Install your new massive air filter into the airbox. It'll snap right in. Then we can install the intake tubes. We're now ready to install the intake tubes. Remove the intake sensor from your factory intake and install it into your new aFe pipe. Install the pipe into the air filter and onto the inlet tube. Install the U-shaped hose onto your intake tube, down bottom, and tighten the clamp. Install the other intake tube. Once you get everything together, you can tighten down your clamps. Once all the clamps are tightened, your install is finished. Okay, we got our aFe Cold Air Intake installed in our 2017 Raptor. The blue pipes add a very unique look under the hood. It looks so much better than that ugly factory intake, and it's gonna flow a lot better too. Installing is pretty simple. It's only gonna take about an hour, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.